Let's learn how to do a crunch. You're going to need a mat or a soft surface. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Ashley and I help new moms gain strength and lose pounds through clean eating and exercise. Head on over to my website for workouts and recipe ideas.
You're going to start by sitting down, legs extended, slowly roll back, engaging that core, come to a flat back, bring your feet closer to your butt, hands behind your head. Slowly lift up, breathing out, come down, and breathe in. Start to lift the shoulders off the ground. You can put your hand on your stomach. You are going to feel your lower back being pushed into the floor. You want to decrease that space. Breathing out and breathing in. Watch that you don't fold your neck too much, bringing your chin into your chest as you lift up. You will not be using your core this way. Keep the elbows open, breathing out and breathing in as you lower. Make sure to keep your elbows out and not bring them in. That will put pressure on your neck. Looking up at the ceiling the entire time, breathing out and breathing in. Good job. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit subscribe, and here is your next video.